empowering students through advanced skills in Excel, Power BI, AI, ML, and Python, emphasizing their applications in business analytics, data visualization, and programming. Delivered in partnership with Learning Links Foundation and certified by DELL Technologies. The program was designed as a CSR initiative to empower learners with industry relevant skills. The program focuses not only on technical skills but also on real world applications, helping students understand how to leverage these tools in various industries. This training offers a unique opportunity for students to learn cutting edge tools and technologies that are highly sought after by employers, enhancing their career prospects in data driven industries. This course helps the student to prepare for various job roles such as data analyst, business analyst, data scientist, and contribute to data driven decision making in organizations.
The hands-on exercises and projects made the course highly interactive. Learning through practical tasks enhanced my understanding of the tools.
Course content was well structured and covered essential topics in artificial intelligence, ML, Power BI, and also Python. The real world example helped me understand practical applications.
Thanks me and my team for participating hackathon competition with the different colleges and inter-college with a supporting tool of AI and data visualization.
This course has given me confidence in using advanced Excel and Power BI for data analysis and visualization, which I believe will open new career opportunities for me.
Transforming skills, transforming lives. Thank you, Learning Links Foundation and DELL Technologies. We thank our college for the continuous support in bringing such initiatives as a part of our academics, which provides a platform for students to grow and succeed. Join us to upskill and make your career future ready.